Want to improve your English naturally? The best way to learn is by listening to real conversations. In today's lesson, you'll hear a conversation about the first day of school. Hi, is this seat taken? No, you can sit here. Thanks, I wasn't sure where to sit. I understand, it's my first day here too. Really? Yeah, everything feels new. I'm glad I'm not the only one feeling nervous. I was nervous this morning too. How are you feeling now? A little better. The school seems friendly. I think so too. Everyone I've met has been nice. Did you have any trouble finding your classroom? Actually, yes. I got lost twice. Me too. At one point I was walking in circles. That's exactly what happened to me. At least we made it. That's true. What classes do you have today? English, math, science, and history. That's almost the same as my schedule. Maybe we'll have some classes together. That would be nice. Which subject do you like the most? Probably English. Why English? I enjoy reading and learning new words. That's interesting. What about you? I like science. Why science? Because I like learning how things work. Science can be really fun. I hope the science teacher is good. I heard the teachers here are excellent. That's good to hear. Did you meet any teachers yet? Just one. How was it? Very good. The teacher seemed friendly and welcoming. That's a relief. Were you worried? A little. Starting at a new school can be stressful. Definitely. There are so many new people, and so many new things to remember. Exactly. What do you think about the school so far? I like it. What do you like about it? The building is nice and the students seem friendly. I agree. The classrooms look modern too. Yes, they do. And the library looked amazing. I saw it earlier. It was much bigger than I expected. I can't wait to spend some time there. Me neither. Have you made any new friends yet? Not really. Me neither. I guess everyone is still getting to know each other. That's probably true. Making friends takes time. At least we're talking now. That's a good start. I think so too. Did you eat lunch already? Yes. How was it? Pretty good. What did you have? A sandwich, some fruit, and a drink. Sounds healthy. What about you? I had pizza. Was it good? Better than I expected. Maybe I'll try it tomorrow. You should. What time did you wake up this morning? Very early. Me too. I barely slept last night. Really? I was thinking about school. I know that feeling. I kept wondering what today would be like. And now we're here. Yes, we are. And honestly, it's not as scary as I thought. I feel the same way. Do you have any goals for this year? I want to get good grades. That's a great goal. I also want to be more confident. What do you mean? I want to participate more in class. That's a good idea. What about you? I want to learn as much as possible. That's important. I also want to stay organized. That's something I need to work on too. Maybe we can remind each other. I like that idea. Do you think this year will be difficult? Maybe sometimes. But I think we can do well if we work hard. I agree. And if we ask for help when we need it. Exactly. Nobody knows everything. That's true. You know, I'm actually excited now. Really? Yeah. Why? Because today feels like a fresh start. I like that way of thinking. There are new opportunities, new classes, new friends, and new experiences. Exactly. Looks like class is about to begin. I think you're right. I'm glad we talked. Me too. It made the first day a lot easier. Same here. Good luck today. Good luck to you too. Have a great first day of school. You too. Let's make this a great year. Absolutely. That was a conversation about the first day of school. How many new words and phrases did you learn today? Try listening to this conversation again. The second time, speak along with the dialogue. Repeating conversations is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills. You can also pause the video and practice each sentence by yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you for learning English with us today. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep speaking English every day. See you in the next lesson.